ito, kaysa isang anak na lalaki, yung pang nangyari. I don't wanna
Sing with us, everybody. Come on.
talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my God! Parang kumanta with Tuli Desma sa stage na to. Napakalaki na ng puso ko, my God.